Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today's vlog is about Sarangpur Hanuman Temple. Sarangpur Hanuman Temple is nearby Nirmal district in Telangana state. Distance from Nizamabad to Sarangpur Hanuman Temple is 6 kilometers. Please visit with your family this temple. This is very nice temple. See how it is. And let's we go here. Friends, I am so tired. I want to go to Basra also. So let's go to Basra. Friends, let's go to our home. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe for all more videos. Bye bye.